The ideal gas law. This law applies to low-density, high-temperature gases. PV equals nRT. The equation below means that pressure and volume equals number of moles, gas constant, and equals temperature. The ideal gas law contains Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Gay-Lussac's law. In order for the ideal gas law to be valid, these additional conditions have to be met. That's the ideal gas has to have one situation, and the units have to be consistent, determined by the R units. Here's an example of an ideal gas law used in a word problem. Bill Nye the Science Guy is a visiting teacher in Mr. Wee's chemistry class. He is helping the students make fertilizer for the MEA garden. Bill asks the class, how many moles of nitrogen with the 1,250 milliliter flask hold at 35 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 95.4 kPa? Here are the variables below to help you solve the problem. Here are similarities and differences between the combined gas law and the ideal gas law. They both have only one situation, state of a gas at a given pressure, temperature, volume, and gas amount, and they both have the same relationships written in different ways. The differences are that the ideal gas law can be used to determine the density of a gas. The ideal gas law relates P, V, N, and T for a given ideal gas. The ideal gas law uses the universal gas constant R, with the units of R determining the appropriate units to use for variables, and the combined gas law applies when the amount of gas is constant.